Hello students, this is Nirmala from Vivekananda Academy and today we are going to see class 7th Geography chapter number 1. The name of our chapter is Environment. As we all know about the environment, these are students are of the 7th class and in our story also in this lesson our story starts with small children like you. There are few children who are going to school on the first day in month of June and they have some queries. The main student here is given Ravi. He is going to school now and when he came out of his house and is going to school now, he saw that which playground was there where all his friends were playing. Now that ground has dug up for some making of one building and he was shocked or he became very sad. Now where will we play? We don't have any space to play or now he has become sad and he shared all these things with his friends when he went to school. And his friends and he also discussed this matter with their teacher. Their principal also discussed this that this environment is changing or because of our need or greed environment is changing. Then these students became again more confused that what is this environment? What our principal has told that environment is changing, but what is mean by this? They were confused and they went to their teacher and they wanted to ask this query to their teacher. So when the teacher came, they have started to ask different questions. So the teacher has given them some notes or given them some work that what it is and how their question will be solved. So teacher told them that what is our surrounding, which things are there, plants, animals, land, mountains. This is meant by environment. And in that again two parts are there, human made things are there and natural things are also in that. So one task she has given that as a homework you have to make the list of natural made things and man made things. So now students were very eager to make the list or they were confused also that which things they have to put in natural things and which things they have to put in man-made things, and they went to their house with discussion of these things and they were very happy also. With this story we can understand that the students are talking about the environment and due to human being the many changes occur in the environment. So first of all we will see about the definition of environment. Environment means here the place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. Whatever all the things which are around living organism, all those are known as environment. All those things are included in environment. Then there are two types, biotic and abiotic in environment. Biotic means all the living organisms are included in biotic. For example, plants, animals, these are living organisms, those are included in biotic. And abiotic means non-living things or non-living organisms, for example land. These two types are important for the environment. Then we will turn towards components of environment. I have made here pie chart. We will come to know about these different components of environment. Three main components are there. First of all, natural, human made and human. We human are also the part of or the component of environment. We will go through one Natural, first of all we will see natural components: land, air, water and living things. There are four natural components which we have seen in previous classes. Also, land means lithosphere. Whatever the upper layer of the soil or earth is there, that is lithosphere or land. That is important component of environment. Second component is air, or we call it as atmosphere also. Which atmosphere? Above the layer of surface of the earth, which air is there, air we breathe, or which space is there, that is called as atmosphere. Third component is water, or it is called as hydrosphere also. Water is again more important component of environment. And fourth is living things, or it is called as biosphere. It does not exist anywhere like land, air or water. It is a mixture of all these three spheres. It means in biosphere, land, air and water, all these three things are included. Biosphere, in the biosphere, hydrosphere is also present, air is also present, land is also present. So separate living things or this biosphere is not there. This is fourth sphere where all these three spheres, lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere is included. Second component we will see as human made. Human made things, like these are natural or nature made things are there. Now human made things are also the component of environment, like buildings, bridges, parks, schools, roads, buildings, industries. These things are there made by human. So these are included in human made environment. And the third and most important component of environment is human. We all human are important component of environment, because environment or these components get value because of human being. Then what are there in human component? Individual. Each person is important component of environment. Men, women, boys, girls, children, old people, small children, all are included in this individual. One person. Individual means one person. Then family. We all have family. You have your brother, sister, mother, father, grandparents, maternal uncle, paternal uncle. All these people are there around us. Those are included in your family. So family also is most important component in human environment or component. Next comes, that is community. When one person is there, his family has come here, and third is community around you. Which, if you are living in a village, if you are living in an urban area also, there are many people around you, many houses are there, that is called as community. We all live together for many years and we have a connection, whether they are not your siblings, not any relatives, but we have connection with them. That is called as community. We live in community. Fourth point comes, that is religion. Religion again is most important component. Like Hindus are there, Muslims are there, Christians are there, all those live together. Religion is also most important component. Next one comes, that is educational. Educational in the sense, from different villages, different places, different families, different religions, many of the types of children come together in the school. Many of the teachers come together in the school and they form educational environment. Like in school we come, hundreds of students come from different places, teachers gather here and they have only one purpose, that is education. So that type of environment or that type of that working place is called as economic economic environment. And next is political situation. Like we know that parliament is there, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, all these things are there, or political, that is political family, political component, that is also important part of environment or component of environment. So here we have seen definition of environment, that how the place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. We have seen the two types of environment. Biotic things are there. Living organisms are included in biotic. Non-living organisms included in abiotic. As well as we have seen most important components of environment. Those are natural, human-made and human components. In natural, we have seen atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere, that we will see again in next part of our video, that in detail. Human made things are there, like buildings, bridges, parks, or industries, roads, all these are made by human. And in human component, individual, one person, family, community, as well as religion, educational, economical, political situations, these all are important components of environment. Okay students, this was all about our this part, first part of the video. We will see next part of the lesson in second part of video. Thank you.